I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make Peking chicken wontons. Now we're going to get our Peking chicken sauce started. It's really simple, and if you just follow these steps, you'll have a delicious, rich sauce. I have a nice big wok that I'm heating. I'm going to add a little bit of grapeseed oil into the wok because we're going to saute our shallots. These are some diced shallots. You can hear the sizzle right away. And we're going to saute those briefly. And stir them around. Oh, you can hear the sizzle. And we're going to add some of our other ingredients. A little bit of mirin. Mirin is sweet. You can use it in place of honey in a dish. Turn it down. Soy sauce. Some garlic. I'm using already crushed garlic. It's easier. I'm going to add our apricot preserves. Stir that around a little. And a little bit of sesame oil. A little sesame oil goes a long way, but it has such a nice nutty taste. Now we're going to let that simmer, and when we come back, we're going to add the other ingredients to our sauce and finish it up.